And this thing's fighting me.
Will they fit in that eyelet?
No.
It's too small, huh? Okay. I'm going to get a pair of vice grips.
All right.
And we can clamp on that eyelet. And then you got it locked on there. Then you can smack it with a hammer or whatever you need to give a little more oomph, huh?
Yeah.
You have to tighten your adjustment.
Is that down here?
Yeah, and you turn it, yeah, to the right to tighten. Don't take much. Did you get a clamp on good?
Yeah. Can't get the hammer like up
right
in
where
there.
you wanted, yeah.
I'm just trying like, oh, I got it.
Hey. Did the trick, didn't it?
Okay. This is a little sucker that was giving us trouble, huh? All right.
All right, now
You guys can see here, we got rid of the little nut up there. It's different than what I've seen because it's a little square nut. It's really awkward getting a wrench up there, but we got her done.
and walk it that way just a little bit to get this cast piece to come through the hole and take it down towards this way. I'll put an arm on this end.
Man, that's gonna be pretty heavy.
Think you can handle it okay?
Yeah, I think we get it. One guy could do it.
Yeah. Okay, get me some. Okay, I'll get her loosened up here. Darn. Okay. Get close.
All right.
Yeah.
Starter pulled.
All right.
Good light of it. It doesn't look all that bad.
Really doesn't, does it?
I thought it was gonna be worse.
Mm-hmm.
Well, you want to bring it over to the workbench?
Absolutely. Bet you, bud.
What is that?
She's overflow.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I got a little much. Okay. It'll probably blow out when we start up here.
Did I just put too much in then?
Possibly, yeah.
Alright.
Okay, now we know.
Yeah. Simple enough, I guess.
Fair enough.
As you can see here, the fluid was all the way up here, but now we sucked it back down to there. We took some out because we didn't want any else to like blow out, because when I was pouring, you guys could probably see some of it was coming out because we put too much in there. And also when we start it, we don't want it to blow everywhere.
Hey guys, I'm sorry this wasn't the most exciting video, but we took our starter to a local starter shop. They said they'll have it done by the end,
Let's take it.
after New Year's, all after the holidays, so we'll be waiting for that. But other than that, we won't really have a startup, but I just wanted to say thank you so much for the 41 subscribers and all that. That really means a lot to me. But yeah, happy holidays and enjoy your day/night/week.
Hopefully she enjoys.